how do I calculate machining time? So again, RPM is one of the things that I need to know, the revolutions per minute. So RPM times the feed rate, that's how much it advances per revolution, divided by the overall length. So let's put that in practical terms. Say I have a 5-inch bore and it's 6 inches long, and I want to use high-speed steel. So I run my numbers and I calculate that with high-speed steel I only want to turn about 100 surface feet. So, so the RPM for that diameter is about 75. So normally if I'm using a roughing feed calculation, I'll say 10 thousandths per revolution. So RPM times 10 thousandths equals 3/4 of an inch. So 6 inches divided by 3/4 is about 8 minutes. So this bore is going to take me 8 minutes to cover from one end to the other. That's how I calculate that formula.